Hello and welcome to this new section on marketing automation and campaign optimization in this course, AI for Marketing and Advertising Excellence, and the first lecture of that. So, in this section, we will give you some good idea of how to use AI for excellence in marketing automation and campaign optimization. And we will begin by talking about how to automate repetitive tasks, right? So, how do you think AI can help you automate repetitive tasks like email sequencing, ad placements, and lead nurturing? Any thoughts on that? So, that's a great question again. Let's unpack how to use AI to automate repetitive tasks like email sequences, ad placements, and lead nurturing. And there that can help your team focus on high value activities like brand marketing, where AI handles the rest like sales promotion and things like email sequencing, ad placements, and lead nurturing. So let's take a look at that, shall we? So the first thing let's do is to look at email sequencing. AI automation can personalize email flows based on the user behavior and preferences. It can do that. And how does it do that? How does it work? It starts with the AI monitoring the customer actions like sign up, cart abandonments, website visits, and automatically sending tailored emails. Second thing AI can do is dynamic content. AI can personalize subject lines, product recommendations, promotions based on the user profile and purchase history. Third, the AI can do is it can predict when each user is most likely to open emails based on the engagement data and schedule sends accordingly. The fourth thing it can do is, automate A/B testing. AI can run continuous tests on subject lines, content, and call to actions to identify top performers and automatically deploy the best variants. So that's how in email sequencing AI can do. What are the tools that you can use? You can use HubSpot, Salesforce, Marketing Cloud, Einstein, MailChimp, ActiveCampaign for automated email journeys. And you can also use Parsado for AI generated subject lines and content optimization. So that's how AI can help you do better email sequencing. Second thing AI can help you do is the ad placements. AI can manage ad campaigns more efficiently than manual setups. And how does that work? AI continuously reallocates budgets, ad spends to top performing channels, audiences, and hence optimizes the budget. It uses clustering and lookalike modeling to identify and expand your ideal customer base in terms of audience targeting. AI automatically tests different ad creatives in terms of headlines, images, videos, and picks the best performing version. So creative testing it can do. And fourth thing that comes here is AI can adjust bids in real time to maximize return on ad spends, right? Dynamic bidding it can do. What are the tools that you can use for this? Google Ads Smart Bidding is commonly known, right? It does the automated bidding strategies like target CPO, ROAS. Also, there is Meta Advantage Plus, which has automated ad placements and dynamic creatives. And lastly, you have programmatic planners, programmatic platforms like the Trade Desk and AdRoll for large scale automation. So these are the various ways AI can help you do ad placements. The third thing AI can help you do is in lead nurturing. Now, how does it work? AI assigns scores based on the user behavior, like website visits, email opens, content downloads, and prioritizes high intent leads. It scores the leads. Then AI recommends blogs, posts, case studies, or webinars based on the lead's interest and journey stage by personalizing the content. And AI chatbots handle FAQs, schedule demos, and guide leads through the funnel. And also, AI triggers sequence of emails or SMSs when a lead takes a certain action, like downloading a white paper, etc. So it does a triggered follow-up, right? What are the tools you can use for this? Marketo Engage or Pardo from Salesforce for AI-driven lead nurturing is one of them, two of them. Then there is Drift, Intercom, and FreshChat for chatbot-based lead nurturing. And lastly, there is HubSpot AI for lead scoring and predictive content recommendations. So these are the various things that are related to AI, making use of AI for lead nurturing. So what are the benefits of using AI to automate repetitive tasks like email sequencing, ad placements, and lead nurturing? Now, first is it saves time, efficiency by letting AI handle the routine tasks. Second thing is you can do personalization at scale. AI can segment and personalize content for millions of users simultaneously. And you can make data driven decisions because AI can use real time insights to optimize performance continuously. And there is revenue growth ultimately, which is what you're looking for. Faster, more relevant responses keep leads engaged and drive conversions, right? So these are the benefits. So let's take a look at the steps that you can do to implement this plan. So first you need to do is to identify repetitive tasks like email sequencing, ad placements, and lead scoring. Then you need to choose a AI tool based on the task for email marketing, ad automation, or lead nurturing. Integrate your data sources from CRM, CDP, website analytics. Set up automation workflows like triggered emails, dynamic bidding, chatbot flows, etc. Then monitor KPIs like open rates, click-through rates, ROAS, lead conversion rates, etc. And finally, iterate and refine using AI insights and A/B testing. So that's the step-by-step implementation plan. So let's take a look at an example of this happening, this being done. So let's say you are running an e-commerce store, right? E-commerce site. Now the emails, with relates to the emails sequencing, AI can trigger cart abandoned emails with personalized product recommendation and discounts. For ad placements, Google Ads Smart Bidding dynamically can allocate budgets to the highest performing products, and AI chatbots can qualify leads on the website, schedule demos, and trigger relevant email follow-ups. So like this, they can do the lead nurture. So what do we do next? So we will look at another part of marketing automation and campaign optimization. And there we will look at how can AI help you test and optimize campaigns in real time through A/B testing and multivariate testing. So let us take a look at that. So thank you so much for watching this first lecture on marketing automation and campaign optimization. I hope you're continuing to learn new things, continuing to enjoy, and I do look forward to see you again in the next lecture. Please feel free to message me if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer your questions, and do download the PDF file to take a look at anything that you need.